If you understand why PDM Professional is a good choice for file security, but always feel like you are missing the last 25% of functionality, then you need CustomTools. The Properties panel makes saving files with more advanced rules available without compromising the workflow. Pressing save should be the end of your work on a file. No reason waiting for a file data card to open anymore. CustomTools will greatly extend on the way you manage custom properties. Advanced lists, key values, dictionary lookup, and even lookup of external data with built-in search capabilities are just a few advantages. CustomTools will also provide tools to automate the file conversion and printing process in your company, allowing you to create very complex tasks with just a few clicks. Exporting BOM in multiple file formats, including Excel with images of your parts, but also export to your ERP system like Business Central, NAV or Odoo. The print, convert and export can easily be added to the context menu in PDM Professional, allowing non-CAD users, like managers, to run tasks without interrupting the design team. For further automation, everything can be added to your PDM Professional workflow, ensuring that data is always consistent and up to date. The seamless integration will constantly ensure that PDM Professional manages file versions and references, and CustomTools will always ask if user need the local version or the latest version from PDM. For broader understanding of what we do, you should investigate the other capabilities. If you are ready to test for yourself, go grab a free 30-day trial and use our support channel to get the best experience possible. Thank you for watching.
We are in the life-saving business. We kill your routines before they kill you.